Brand new, isn't it?
Pardon?
It's brand new.
Yes, yes.
Where was it built?
Pardon? It was built in down at Mullinaway, it's a shipyard. It's brand new.
Built here. This is Richard Beatty.
Videoing it. Quickly.
Wait, that way.
Hey, you're sitting on there, so I'll take your picture.
Oh, this is the bridge, yeah.
Stay there, I'll take your picture. Oh, that's nice and warm. No, I think she's organising it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Come see the old suite.
Oh. Where's it? Gold. There's a marble in there.
Gosh.
Move aside a wee bit. Poking in somewhere.
So embarrassing. Sweet barbecue. Seriously?
Sitting on
This is That's the big thing up. This is so cool. This, don't panic, just don't panic. Bathroom.
No, definitely. You just do it, it's just a job to stick that out and then it all comes together.
Oh, look, cool cake. Right, I feel like everyone's looking at us.